here good?
Looking back, that it is a dirty laundry sky up there, trying to pick out a white ball from that white grey sheet of cloud and smog that's covering this ground. Cummins had to pick it. He was falling over backwards, claimed it, and the bit that I noted over Shane is waiting. 6 overs gone. South Africa won the toss, 8 for 2. That's 2 wickets and 8 runs. If you're confused listening along at home, here at Australian accent saying the score.
It's just $6.95 for a giant snack like a KFC. Shut up and take my money. Grab some of it.
And then the fucking guy in the bike nearly run up his arse.
That's what I saw.
And then the bike's gone around the outside of him and overtaken him around the corner. And now he's overtaken Donny on the inside.
Fucking idiot. Well, it is Eagle B, so what can I say?
No, he's keeping an eye on that fucking ute, so maybe it's road ragey type.
The black one. Is he coming this
And
way?
now he's going around the outside and through the red light.
Oh, he's here.
1 minute later.
Oh, here he comes back again.
Who?
The guy on the bike. Just overtook him.
Fuck me dead!
A new AI pen that uses laser ink
Fucking idiot!
with a screen. Awesome. So yeah, it's a wearable.
What are you doing? What a dickhead.
Fucking idiot.
Thursday to Saturday, 5 to 9 p.m. Only at Social Street Food and Bar at the SN.
And yes, he is our shitbag titty fuck of the week.
turn right, you fucking idiot! Honestly.
Fuck you down, thank you.
Asshole.
Oh, what the fudge? Oh, what an absolute moron. Oh my gosh. What the fudge? You're a moron? What are you doing? Trying to cause a car accident?
Yes! You scroungy little fuck, huh?
Both my son and I think you're an asshole.
Stop at about the 2-hour mark and then I'll
Keep coming. Fuck.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
What's he riding?
Yep.
Mobility scooter was mine. It was my turn to go. I had the brake. It was me.
What are you doing?
Exactly. Fucking hell.
Yeah, good one, you absolute fuckwit. You absolute...
You're stupid.
Absolute hero. Yeah, good job. Got far, didn't ya? Hey? I got you far, didn't it? Absolute wanker.
And 8. Add them together, you get 11. Which for your typical dirty rotten rat bag is how many doors the average Aussie house has. 11. You see, a window is just another door to a crim. Explains why crim don't do more than doors. They secure windows too. So, that's maths. Next week.
And that she was told to just come up to the front and someone would help her get it loaded into the truck. They'd asked to see the receipt and she'd be shuffling around for it, but then the kids got worse and she'd have to stop what she was doing to go manage them some more. Meanwhile, the person had already called over the employees in the back to get the shit.
Really? Wow.
To attack the Capitol that day.
Yeah.
You know, where some people perished. There was a lot of violence. It was some people like stay with.
Us only, dickhead.
Bye.